Dear friend, welcome to Mt-Viki. Today, we will introduce the Nano cabinet. What is inside the packaging? How to install this cabinet? Step 1. Find the base plate and install two side rails. The bottom panel has an oval pattern on the back of the product. Then, proceed with the installation of the side track. Secure it and align the screw holes. Find a screw and tighten it. Install another track. Step 2. Install the backboard. The oval-shaped panel on the back is located below. Tighten the screws. Step 3. Install the top plate. The one with sloping edges is the front. Tighten the screws. Step 4. Install the internal guardrail. The effect of installing the 4 internal side tracks. Step 1. Install 2 side panels. Install the lock. Lock the cabinet. The effect of installing the side panel. Install the other side panel. Step 6. Install the front panel.